C40. Mr. Eddie Peng.
Yes, that's me, officer.
Hi, how are you doing today?
I am doing good. Thank you.
Great, please follow me. Please step inside. Please take a seat. As I mentioned, my name is Officer Jenny. And today I will be conducting your citizenship interview. The interview is going to go in 3 parts. One that is going to be the civics and writing and reading test. Then I am going to ask you some personal questions. And after that we are going to go for some yes or no N400 questions. Like I mentioned, first we are going to go with the civics test. Can you please show me your permanent resident card, your passport, and a form of ID? Thank you. Okay, give me 1 second. Now, let's do the civics test. First question. How many amendments does the Constitution have?
The Constitution has 27 amendments.
Second question. Name the United States war between the North and the South.
The American Civil War.
Third question. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States of America.
Fourth question. We elect a United States Senator for how many years?
6 years.
Fifth question. What does the judicial branch do?
Review laws.
Sixth question. What are 2 ways that Americans can participate in their democracy?
By voting and by joining a political party.
Seventh question. What is the rule of law?
It says everyone must follow the law.
Eighth question. Name 1 United States territory.
Puerto Rico.
Ninth question. Who does a United States Senator represent?
All people of the state.
10th question. What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
Great. You have done a good job in civics section. Now we are going to do the reading and writing test. There is a tablet in front of you. This tablet is going to show on the screen a sentence that you need to read. Can you please read the sentence on the tablet?
When is Independence Day?
Okay, very good. Now on the same screen, using the stylus pen, write the following sentence. Independence Day is in July. Okay, good job. Congratulations, you have passed both your civics test and your writing and reading test.
Thank you.
Now, can you please stand up and also raise your right hand? Do you swear and affirm that the statements you are going to give and provide today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Please take a seat again. Now, can you please tell me your full legal name?
My full legal name is Eddie Peng.
Why would you like to become a United States citizen?
I want to vote, have a United States passport, and live with my family.
Okay, has anything changed since you submitted your application?
No, nothing has changed since I submitted my application.
Are there any errors that you need to correct on your application?
No, officer, there are no errors in my knowledge.
Thank you for letting me know. Did anyone help you complete this application?
Yes, my brother helped me in filling the application.
Okay, do you need to update any information?
No, officer.
Have you ever used a different name?
No, officer.
Would you like to change your name?
No.
What is your social security number?
3543422232.
What is your height and weight?
I am 5 foot 8 inches, and I weigh 70 kilograms.
What is your ethnicity?
I am Chinese.
What country were you born in?
China.
What is one thing you plan on doing if you become a United States citizen?
I would apply for United States passport. Then I would register myself to vote and update my social security record.
Okay, what are the requirements to become a United States citizen?
1. Be at least 18 years of age at the time you file the application. 2. Have been a lawful permanent resident for the past 3 or 5 years. 3. Have continuous residence and physical presence in the United States.
Okay, very good. Where do you currently live?
I live in 16th Avenue, Salt Lake, apartment number 3, Chicago.
How long have you lived at this address?
I have lived for about 4 years now at this address.
How did you get your permanent residency?
I was sponsored by my brother who is a United States citizen.
Okay, give me 1 second. When did you become a permanent resident?
About 5 years ago.
Are your parents United States citizens?
No, they are not.
What is your marriage status?
I am single.
Have you been married before?
No.
Now, how many times have you traveled out of the United States in the last 5 years?
2 times.
When was the last time that you traveled out of the United States?
In January 2019.
Okay, and how many days was this trip for?
My last trip was for 20 days.
Did anyone travel with you?
Yes, my brother traveled with me.
And what was the purpose of this trip?
I went to visit my family members and relatives.
Do you remember the date that you came back to the United States?
Yes, it was January 25, 2019.
Okay, great. Now please answer yes or no to the following questions. Have you ever been arrested?
No.
Have you ever voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No, I have not.
Have you ever claimed to be a United States citizen?
No, never.
Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever been declared legally incompetent, or been confined to a mental institution?
No.
Do you now have, or did you ever have a hereditary title, or an order of nobility in any foreign country?
No, I don't have.
Do you owe any federal, state, or local taxes?
No, I owe any taxes. I always pay my taxes.
Have you ever not filed a federal, state, or local tax return since you became a lawful permanent resident?
No, I always file my tax returns.
When was the last time that you paid your taxes?
In March.
When you file your taxes, do you file your taxes by yourself?
Yes, I file my taxes by myself.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, any organization, association, fund, foundation, party, club, society, or similar group in the United States?
No, I was not involved in any of these.
Have you ever been a member of, or in any way associated with the Communist Party?
No, never.
Any other totalitarian party?
No.
What's your opinion on communism?
A theory or system of social organization in which all property is owned by the community and each person contributes and receives according to their ability and needs.
Have you ever advocated, either directly or indirectly, the overthrow of any government by force or violence?
No, never.
Have you ever persecuted any person because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No, never.
Were you ever involved in any way with any of the following? 1. Genocide.
No.
2. Torture.
No, never.
3. Killing or trying to kill someone.
No, never.
4. Badly hurting or trying to hurt a person on purpose.
No.
5. Forcing or trying to force someone to have any kind of sexual contact or relations.
No, never.
6. No letting someone practice his or her religion.
No.
Were you ever a member of, or did you ever serve in, help, or otherwise participate in, any of the following? 1. Military unit.
No.
2. Paramilitary unit.
No.
3. Police unit.
No.
4. Self-defense unit.
No.
5. Vigilante unit.
No.
6. Rebel group.
No, never.
7. Guerrilla group.
No, never.
8. Militia.
No.
9. Insurgent organization.
No, never.
Can you please explain to me, what is genocide?
It's the deliberate killing of a large number of people from a particular nation or ethnic group with the aim of destroying that nation or group.
Were you ever a worker, volunteer, or soldier, or did you otherwise ever serve in any of the following? 1. Prison or jail.
No.
2. Prison camp.
No.
3. Detention facility.
No.
4. Labor camp.
No.
5. Any other place where people were forced to stay?
No, never.
What is a militia?
It's a military force that is raised from the civil population to supplement a regular army in an emergency.
Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person, or threatened to do so?
No, I was not.
Did you ever sell, give, or provide weapons to any person, or help another person sell, give, or provide weapons to any person?
No, never.
Were you ever in jail back in your country?
No, I was not.
Were you ever arrested back in your country of origin?
No.
Did you ever receive any type of military, paramilitary, or weapons training?
No, never.
Did you ever recruit, enlist, conscript, or use any person under 15 years of age to serve in or help an armed force or group?
No, never.
Did you ever use any person under 15 years of age to do anything that helped or supported people in combat?
No, never.
Have you ever committed, assisted in committing, or attempted to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No, never.
What is a crime?
A crime is an unlawful act punishable by a state or other authority.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason?
No, never.
Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisting in committing a crime or offense?
No, never.
Do you understand what cited is?
It means to officially name or mention someone or something in a law court, or to officially request someone to appear in a court.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, never.
Have you ever been placed in an alternative sentencing or a rehabilitative program?
No, never.
Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation, or been paroled?
No, never.
What is a weapon?
A weapon is a thing designed or used for inflicting bodily harm or physical damage.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, never.
Have you ever been a prostitute or pressured anyone for prostitution?
No, never.
Have you ever sold or smuggled controlled substances, illegal drugs or narcotics?
No, never.
Have you ever helped anyone to enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No, never.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No, never.
What is a habitual drunkard?
Habitual drunkard is a person who is involved in excessive use of intoxicating drink and who has lost the power or the will, by frequent indulgence, to control his appetite for it.
Have you ever given any United States government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No, never.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever been placed in removal, exclusion, rescission, or deportation proceedings?
No, never.
Okay, are you currently a member of the United States Armed Forces?
No, I am not.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me what is the Constitution?
A body of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is acknowledged to be governed.
And what is the form of government of the United States?
A federal government.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
What is an oath of allegiance?
The oath of allegiance to the United States is a sworn declaration that every citizenship applicant must recite during a formal ceremony in order to become a naturalized American citizen.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I am willing.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I am willing.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the United States Armed Forces?
Yes, I am willing.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I am willing to perform.
Can you please review that all of the information is correct? If everything is correct, you can sign and print your name.
Okay. Everything looks okay.
Thank you. Congratulations, you have passed your citizenship interview.
Thank you very much, officer.